Hello everyone, my name is Ruchi. I have an MPhil in mathematics and extensive teaching experience. Welcome to my channel Reckon Classes. If you want to take an exam for the railways, SSC, banks, insurance, or if you want to write an exam for further studies, one of the most important subject is mathematics. So, brush up on your math skill because I am going to teach you. I have prepared a lesson on compound interest today. Let's start. Compound interest. Compound interest is the interest on loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from the previous period. It is different from the simple interest, where the interest is not added to the principal while calculating the interest during the next period. इसको ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि सिंपल इंटरेस्ट व्हाट इज सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू PTR अपॉन 100. सो इन दिस केस P हमेशा सेम रहेगा, प्रिंसिपल हमेशा सेम रहेगा, लेकिन कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में फर्स्ट साल का प्रिंसिपल पे जो इंटरेस्ट लगेगा तो प्रिंसिपल फर्स्ट ईयर का एंड इंटरेस्ट दोनों ऐड होके नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए वो प्रिंसिपल हो जाएगा. सो बेसिकली ये डिफरेंस है कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट और प्रिंसिपल सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में. सो हियर आर सम फॉर्मूलाज फॉर कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. सब लेट अमाउंट इक्वल टू A, प्रिंसिपल P, रेट इक्वल टू R% per annum and time is T years. So when interest is compounded annually, then in this case amount equal to principal into 1 plus R upon 100 power T. So when interest is compounded annually, then we use this formula. Next one, when interest is compounded half yearly, then in this case amount equal to P 1 plus R by 2 upon 100 and time is 2T. जब भी इंटरेस्ट हाफ ईयरली होगा तो रेट आधा हो जाएगा, रेट हाफ हो जाएगा एंड टाइम डबल हो जाएगा. क्लियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट केस, व्हेन द इंटरेस्ट इज कंपाउंडेड क्वार्टरली. जब क्वार्टरली होगा देन अमाउंट इक्वल टू P 1 प्लस R by 4 upon 100 and time is 4T. So in this case when interest is compounded quarterly, then in this case rate equal to 1/4 हो जाएगा एंड टाइम 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. Clear? Now next, when rate are different for different years, then suppose in first case let rate of interest is R1%, second R2 and third is R3 for first, second and third year respectively. So in this case amount equal to principal then 1 plus R1 upon 100 into 1 plus R2 upon 100 into 1 plus R3 upon 100. तो इस तरह से हम इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे. जब अलग अलग ईयर्स के लिए अलग अलग रेट दिए हैं तो अमाउंट हम इस वाले फॉर्मूले से कैलकुलेट करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, फिफ्थ, when the interest is compounded annually but the time is in fraction. Suppose we have time 2 whole 1 by 6 इतना years, then amount equal to principal 1 plus R upon 100 into 2 years तो complete है तो 2 हो जाएगा into 1/6 ईयर. 1 by 6 here, then in this case into 1 plus 1 by 6 r upon 100. तो जितना भी ये बचा 1 by 6 उसमें r के लिए 1 by 6, क्योंकि एनुअली कंपाउंडेड है तो टाइम 1 ही लेंगे, 1 ईयर। तो इस तरह से हम जब टाइम फ्रैक्शन में दिया है तो अमाउंट हम इस तरह से कैलकुलेट करेंगे। क्लियर? नाउ 6(1) present worth of rupees x due n years hence given by x upon 1 plus r upon 100 power t. So this is present worth. अगर हमें present worth निकालनी है तो हम इस तरह से कैलकुलेट करेंगे। Now let's start example. A sum of rupees 6,000 is borrowed at compound interest at the rate of 8% per annum. What will be the amount after 2 years? So here principal equal to rupees 6,000, rate of interest equal to 8% per annum, and time equal to 2 years. Now हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? Amount. So we know that formula of amount equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 power T. So substitute all the values, we get P equal to 6,000, 1 plus 8 upon 100 power 2. So this is equal to 6,000 108 upon 100 power 2, and this is equal to 6,000 into 108 upon 100 into 108 upon 100. 0 cancel कर देंगे, then we have 69984 upon 10 equal to 699.8.4. So our answer is amount equal to 699 rupees 699.8.40. Now next one. Find the compound interest on rupees 8,000 at 15% per annum for 2 years 4 months compounded annually. So this is principal, rate and time. So in this case principal equal to rupees 8,000, rate equal to 15% per annum, and time equal to 2 years and 4 months, and this is equal to 2 years and 4 months को हमें ईयर्स में चेंज करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे 4/12 ईयर. So this gives 1/3. So this is 2 whole 1/3 years. Now amount equal to principal. So principal is rupees 8,000 into 1 plus rate of interest 15 upon 100 time 2 years पूरे हैं, then 2 power 2 into 1 upon 3 year और है तो we have 1 upon 1/3 into 15 upon 100, and this gives 8,000 into 115 upon 100 square. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा 5 times, so this gives 105 upon 100, and this is equal to 8,000 into 23 upon 20 into 23 upon 20 into 21 upon 20, and this gives rupees 11109. So this is our amount. So now we want to find compound interest. So compound, we know that compound interest equal to amount minus principal. So compound interest is rupees, amount is 11109 minus principal is 8000. So this is equal to rupees 3109. This is our compound interest. Now next one, example number 3rd. Find the compound interest on rupees 16,000 at 20% per annum for 9 months compounded quarterly. So here it is important that compound interest compounded quarterly. So solution. Principal equal to rupees 16,000 and time equal to 9 months, or we can say 9 upon 12 years equal to 3/4 years. Okay, but here इंटरेस्ट इज कंपाउंडेड क्वार्टरली. सो टाइम को हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो जब हम इसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो दिस गिव्स 3/4 इंटू 4. सो 4 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, इक्वल टू 3 क्वार्टर्स. क्वार्टरली के लिए हम टाइम को 4 टाइम्स कर देते हैं, 3 क्वार्टर्स. And rate, now rate equal to 20% per annum, but हमें quarterly compounded करना है, then we divide by 4. So 20/4 equal to 5%. So this gives 5% per quarter. Clear? Now substitute all the values in the formula. Amount equal to principal into 1 plus rate upon 100 into time. So this gives 16,000 into 105 upon 100 power 3, and this gives 16,000 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. जब सॉल्व करेंगे then we have rupees 18522. So this is our amount. Now compound interest equal to amount minus principal. So amount is 18,522 minus 16,000. Principal is 16,000. So we get rupees 2,522. Now example number 4th. In what time will rupees 1,000 amounts to rupees 1,331 at 20% rate, 20% per annum compounded half yearly? So in this case, principal equal to rupees 1,000, amount equal to rupees 1,331, and rate of interest. So rate of interest equal to 20% per annum, but हमें हाफ ईयरली कंपाउंड करना है. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू, रेट क्या हो जाएगा, आधा हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 10% हाफ ईयरली. नाउ फॉर्मूला इज अमाउंट इक्वल टू P plus 1 plus P into 1 plus R upon 100T. So substitute all the values. We get 1331 equal to 1,000. 1 plus r equal to 10 upon 100 t. So this implies 1331 upon 1000 equal to 0 से 0 cancel. So 11 upon 10 t. This implies 1331 upon 1000 को लिख सकते हैं 11 upon 10 power 3 equal to 11 upon 10 t. So t equal to 3 terms. क्योंकि रेट हाफ ईयरली कंपाउंड क्या है तो टर्म्स टाइम 3 टर्म्स आएगा. 3 टर्म्स मीन्स 6 months, it means 1.5 years. So this is our answer. Now example number 5th. At what rate percent per annum the compound interest will rupees 16,000 amount to 1,852.20 in 3 years? So in this case, we have principal equal to rupees 16,000, 1600, rate equal to amount equal to rupees 1,852.20 and time equal to 3 years. Let rate equal to r percent per annum. So substitute all these in the formula. Formula is a p 1 plus r upon 100 t. Substitute all the values, we get 1852.20 equal to 1600 1 plus r upon 100 and t equal to 3. So this gives 1852.20 upon 1600 equal to r plus 1 plus r upon 100 t. Point हटा के 2 0 नीचे, 0 से 0 cancel. Now we have 1 plus r upon 100 power 3 equal to 18522 upon 161230, and this is equal to 9261800, and this gives 1 plus r upon 100 power 3 equal to 21 upon 20 power 3. So this implies 1 plus r upon 100 equal to 21 upon 20. This implies r upon 100 equal to 21 upon 20 minus 1 equal to 1 by 20, implies r equal to 5% per annum. So this is our answer. Now example number 6th. If the compound interest on a certain sum at 16 whole 2 by 3% for 3 years is rupees 1,270, find the simple interest on the same rate and for the same period. So here compound interest equal to rupees 1,270, rate of interest equal to 16 whole 2 by 3% per annum. So this is equal to 50 by 3% per annum. Time equal to 3 years. Let principal equal to rupees x. We know that compound interest equal to amount minus principal. This implies compound interest is 1,270 equal to amount is principal into 1 plus r upon 100 and t minus principal is x. So this implies 50 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा 2 टाइम्स. सो दिस इम्प्लाइज 1270 इक्वल टू x 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 6 power 3 minus x, and this is equal to, this implies 1270 equal to x 7 by 6 power 3 minus x. This implies 1270 equal to 343 upon 216x minus x. This implies 1270 equal to 127x upon 216. This implies x equal to 1270 into 216 upon 127. So this gives 10. This implies x equal to 2160. So our principal is thus principal equal to rupees 2160. So therefore simple interest, now we find simple interest equal to PTR upon 100, and this gives 2160 into time equal to 3. Simple interest equal to 5 upon 50 upon 3 upon 100. 3 cancel, then 2 times this cancels, 1080. So this implies simple interest equal to rupees 1080. This is our answer. Now example number 7th. Find the sum of money which will amount to rupees 26,010 in 6 months at the rate of 8% per annum when the interest is compounded quarterly. So in this case, amount equal to rupees 26,010, time equal to 6 months. 6 months means interest is compounded quarterly, so 6 months equal to 2 quarters, and rate of interest equal to 8% per annum, and हमें क्वार्टरली क्वार्टरली करना है, so this is equal to 2% per quarter. Let sum equal to rupees x. Then we know that amount equal to 26010 equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 and t. So this implies 26010 equal to x 1 by 50. So this is 51 upon 50 power 2. This implies x equal to 26010 into 50 into 50 upon 51 into 51, and this implies x equal to 25000. So hence required sum equal to rupees 25,000. क्लियर? हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा कि रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एनुअली है, हाफ ईयरली है या क्वार्टरली है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर इस पे ध्यान नहीं दिया तो आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8. A sum of rupees 3,200 invested at 10% per annum compounded quarterly, amount to rupees 3,362. Find the time period. So here amount equal to 3,362. Principal equal to rupees 3,200 and rate of interest equal to 10% per annum. But हमें क्या चाहिए? Compounded quarterly. So rate of interest equal to 10/4%. So this is equal to 5/2. So 5/2% per quarter. Now we know that amount equal to 3,362 equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 t. Time equal to t, let time equal to t. So this is equal to 20 and this implies 3,362 upon 3,200 equal to 41 upon 40. 41 upon 40 t. This implies, इसको हम कैंसिल कर देंगे तो 1600 1681. So we have 1681 upon 1600 equal to 41 upon 40 t. This implies 41 upon 40 power 2 equal to 41 upon 40 t. Implies t equal to 2 terms. t equal to 2 terms and हर एक टर्म में कितने मंथ हैं? 3 मंथ. तो 2 into 3 मंथ. 3 मंथ क्यों हैं? क्योंकि हमने कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट क्वार्टरली हम उसको ले रहे हैं. So this gives 6 months or equal to half year. This is our answer. Now example number 9th. A sum of money become 8 times of itself in 3 years at compound interest. Find the rate of interest. So here amount, let principal equal to rupees x. So amount equal to rupees 8x and time given है, time equal to 3 years and let rate equal to r percent per annum. So we know that amount equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 t. This gives 8x equal to x 1 plus r upon 100 t. x cancel. This gives, sorry, t की जगह t is our 3 years. t equal to 3. So 8 equal to 1 plus r upon 100 power 3. This gives 2 raised to the power 3 equal to 1 plus r upon 100 power 3. This gives 2 equal to 1 plus r upon 100. This implies r upon 100 equal to 1. implies R equal to 100. Hence, rate equal to 100% per annum. Clear? Now, example number 10th. If a sum of money on compound interest becomes 3 times in 4 years, then the same interest of rate, how many years the sum becomes 27 times. So, in this case, let principal equal to rupees x. So, rate amount equal to rupees 3x according to question, and time equal to 4 years, and rate equal to R% per annum. Let. So this gives amount equal to 3x equal to x 1 plus r upon 100 power 4. X cancel, and this gives 3 raised to the power 1 by 4 equal to 1 plus r upon 100. So this is our equation number 1. Now again rate of interest same है. Again rate equal to R% per annum, and principal is rupees x, amount equal to rupees 27x. So in this case we want to find time, and time equal to t. So we have again substitute all the values in our formula. Amount equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 t. So this cancel हो जाएगा. This implies 27. Substitute the value of 1 plus r upon 100 from equation number 1. So we get 27 equal to 3 raised to the power 1 by 4 t. Here substitute the value of 1 plus r upon 100 from equation number 1. So we get this. This implies 3 raised to the power 3 equal to 3 raised to the power t by 4. So this implies t by 4 equal to 3, implies t equal to 12. Hence time equal to 12 years. It means 12 years बाद उसी सेम इंटरेस्ट से अमाउंट कितना 27 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. क्लियर? सो यहाँ पर हमने कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट से रिलेटेड कुछ सम्स किए. नेक्स्ट इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का वीडियो बना चुकी हूँ, तो इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं सिंपल इंटरेस्ट वाले वीडियोस का लिंक डाल दूँगी. और नेक्स्ट इसका सेकंड पार्ट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का जल्दी ही मैं अपलोड करूँगी. होप यू एन्जॉयड टुडेज़ लेसन. आई विल बी अपलोडिंग नेक्स्ट वीडियो सून. If you have any doubts related to this topic, please comment below. I will try to respond to each one of your questions. Once again, please like my video and hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.